A life saved in Pocatello after behavioral health specialists talked an armed man into giving up a 9mm handgun in their facility. KPVI News That Works for You reporter Deanne Coffin is live now in the newsroom with the details. Deanne.
Matt, I talked with some of the professionals that were credited with diffusing the situation by how they handled the incident. Mental health officials watched the surveillance monitor at the Consumer Care Center as a man approached their facility on the 1100 block of Main Street in Pocatello. The center helps with mental health and substance abuse treatment.
I just heard one of my coworkers telling people to get out, and I come out of an office and she was helping the clients get out of the building, and I went to find out what was going on.
Consumer Care officials tell me that around 10:30 Thursday morning, a distraught man came through this back door into the building with a loaded gun.
We were told that the gentleman had a firearm and he was going to harm himself.
Staff members immediately called police and evacuated about 60 people out of the building.
Like they've learned in many drills before, that's what they do. And they stood out there in the pouring rain and they were very calm, and it went very well, very smooth.
Meanwhile, 4 behavioral specialists stayed in the room with the man and talked to him.
I was more worried for him, you know, and I didn't think he was going to hurt anyone else. I didn't get that from him, and he didn't point the gun at anyone else or say anything. He even said once that he wasn't going to hurt anybody else, and I was just more worried for him.
Eventually, after several minutes of talking to the man, he surrendered his gun. Health officials credited the calmness of the staff and the training that prepared them for a situation like this one.
It was unique because we've never had that type of situation, but everybody handled it very well. Everybody stayed calm. Everybody cared about this gentleman, and I think that's what helped. They were all concerned and caring.
Officials say the man was taken into custody, then taken to the ER to be evaluated. Pocatello police aren't releasing any other details about the man because it is a health issue. No charges have been filed. Reporting live from the newsroom, I'm Deanne Coffin, KPVI News That Works for You.
Okay, thank you very much, Deanne.